Here now with Jetson Juopperi. He is the strategy director for FuelCell Energy. First question for you: what would be a common product or service that a beverage manufacturer would buy from FuelCell Energy?
So FuelCell Energy is in the business of CO2 solutions, specifically fuel cell supported CO2 solutions. So FuelCell Energy could supply our CO2 recovery platform, which is going to allow a customer to bring power generation on site and CO2 generation on site. There's also a carbon capture application which we could support the beverage industry with as well. If they have a flue gas source on site that they're looking to decarbonize, reduce their carbon intensity of their operations, they could bring a fuel cell solution on site, capture the CO2, use it in their industrial process, produce power all the while, producing a more sustainable operation for their business.
What are some potential cost savings or even income that a beverage manufacturer would be able to capitalize on with a partnership with FuelCell Energy?
It's a good question, actually. Fuel cell solutions can provide multiple value streams for folks in the beverage industry. Naturally, the leading solution that folks are looking for is bringing that CO2 generation on site. There's a lot of issues with CO2 supply in the market right now, so getting a steady, guaranteed supply of CO2 on site can be not just a cost savings, but just a reliability impactor for beverage industry businesses. But also the fact that fuel cell solutions can produce that CO2 and generate power all the while is a great way to reduce the reliability on grids, which don't have the best reliability in some cases, save on the cost of that power versus a grid. And then also, if you choose to go with a CHP solution, if you have some use for heat on site, that's another way to save some money as well with a fuel cell solution.
Aside from just the equipment part of what you guys can offer in the technology, what are some of the value that you bring, from your staff and from your expertise to a beverage manufacturer?
FuelCell Energy has been in the business of supporting high temperature electrochemical solutions for our end customers for 20 years. So when you work with us, you have a trusted partner, you install our solution, we're working with you to provide the value streams that you're looking for day in and day out. It's very hands-off. We have long-term maintenance support for any and all of our equipment. And whether you are introduced to us through the CO2 solutions, or if you are just looking for sort of a microgrid on-site power generation application, regardless of how we are introduced together, we have a suite of platforms that can support you and your operations as you grow. So whether it be hydrogen-focused applications, decarbonized power applications, once we're in partnership, the opportunities are somewhat limitless, if I might say so.
All right, pulling up to 40,000 feet level, what are some high-level things that a beverage manufacturer should expect once they do, enter into a partnership with FuelCell Energy, on a high-level basis? What should they expect to see?
Well, they should expect working with highly professional staff, some of the most experienced fuel cell experts in the industry. We've been doing this longer than just about anyone. They should expect high quality CO2 value stream, high quality product value stream, very reliable product service, and ultimately they should expect improved operations and a better bottom line. And that's what we're here to do, support our customers' bottom line.